Me no fi cook up, but me not fi depend for no one. No fi season me meat with me thyme and scallion. With a little sweet pepper, couple slice of onion, and a touch of garlic. Chat up and a mention.
With Greg, we will be enjoying a nice little dessert, green banana porridge, better known by our ancestor as wabull. Con Greg estaremos disfrutando de un postre exquisísimo. Es un postre ancestral de la costa atlántica que se hacía con banano verde. Se llama atol de banano verde. No se lo pierdan. Today's video will be a little short. Remember we shown a little of all different things. This is a little, use this as a little dessert. You know, this is what we call wabull. Out of green banana, you could make it out of ripe banana also. So this is a green banana wabull that we're making. And as usual, we use the coconut cream. We will use the coconut cream for it also. So. Cinnamon. So we bind with it and you get the flavor the same one. You know, few stick of cinnamon. So the cinnamon, when you know, the cinnamon stick will boil up with it and give it a nice flavor. Your banana is cooked. Let me just rub this one and show you. See? Sorry, it's served. Banana cooked.
Bite it.
Now you make them know this thing in our old Italia they used to beat it. With the modern time what we do now we blend it. With the blender we blend it. Some people say well you don't get the original taste. You know, like when you beat it because the original way is beating it up. But we're going to blend it.
No, I should force.
Cinnamon with the little pieces of banana. We're going to just blend it so I could take out the essence out like this and the little more that left. So that's the reason why it got that color. Because cinnamon stick, right? Cinnamon. This is a dozen banana we're using. And I also put a little piece of salt.
Can we continue?
Now that we have add condensed here, to give it a nice flavor, we will add also vanilla. Okay, first, little vanilla. We make sure everything mix up good.
Here you have your banana pop. Bad. Yep. Nice. Bad. Not convincing.